Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Learn English through short stories. The Lost Necklace. Emma loved to collect beautiful jewelry. She had a small wooden box where she kept her most precious pieces. Among them was a gold necklace with a heart-shaped pendant, a gift from her grandmother. It was her favorite because it reminded her of the wonderful moments they had spent together. One summer afternoon, Emma and her best friend, Lily, decided to go for a walk in the park. The sun was shining, and the cool breeze made the trees sway gently. They talked about their school projects, their favorite books, and their dreams for the future. As they walked near the lake, Emma suddenly felt her neck. Her necklace was gone. Panic filled her heart. "Lily, my necklace. It's missing," she cried. Lily quickly turned to her friend. "Don't worry, Emma. We'll find it." The two girls began searching the ground, looking under benches, near the bushes, and along the pathway. They asked a few people if they had seen a gold necklace, but no one had. Emma was heartbroken. "It must have fallen into the lake," she said sadly. Lily thought for a moment. "Let's go to the lost and found office. Maybe someone picked it up." With little hope, Emma followed Lily to the office near the park entrance. A kind-looking woman greeted them. "Hello, how can I help you?" Emma explained the situation, describing the necklace in detail. The woman smiled and reached into a small drawer. "Is this the one?" she asked, holding up Emma's gold necklace. Emma's eyes widened with joy. "Yes. That's it." The woman explained, "A little boy found it near the playground and brought it here. He said it looked special." Emma felt a wave of relief. "Thank you so much," she said happily. As she and Lily walked back home, Emma smiled. She had almost lost something precious, but thanks to kindness and friendship, she got it back. Subscribe the channel for more interesting stories.